one. You've done it on your own. Getting dressed is so much fun. You've done it on your own.
It really suits you, Wendy.
Get dressed top to toe with CBeebies.
I'm ready now.
Two,
Trois,
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
Tiny,
We're the tots on Tots TV.
1, 2, 3, boo.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, boo.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Tiny, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Viens,
Come on.
I'm a tot.
je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
Tiny,
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, boo. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tub.
Tiny,
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
what will we see? Oh, where are we?
Oh, regardez, regardez! Un pont!
That's a bridge, that is, isn't it?
Yeah, a bridge across the water.
Hey, Tot.
Yeah,
Did you see all those cars going over the bridge?
I did, Tomato. Look, there's one, there's one. Turn over.
Vite,
Over the bridge.
regardez, regardez, regardez! Un petit bateau!
Hey, Tot.
Yeah,
That little boat
yeah.
is a rowing boat.
Oh, a rowing boat.
Yeah.
What are those great big funny stick things for? What's he doing?
Oh, you know those big long stick things?
Yeah.
Those are called oars.
Ah, des rames!
Yeah.
Oars.
Oars for rowing, rowing along.
Oars. Oars. Oars.
Oars. Hey, Tot.
Oui?
I wonder where that boat's gonna go.
Moi, je crois qu'il va passer sous le pont!
Oh, yeah, I think that boat's gonna go row underneath a bridge. That's what I think it's gonna do.
Yeah.
I bet it does. I bet it does.
I saw a rowing boat go by. Go rowing by, go rowing by. I saw a rowing boat go by.
And go rowing
right under that
bridge.
bridge.
Yeah, bye-bye, rowing boat. I said it was going to go under the bridge. I was right.
It went right under the bridge.
Look.
What?
Regarde!
Wow! Look at that!
Look at that boat. It goes really, really fast.
Hey, Tot.
Yeah.
That boat, right? That boat is called a rescue boat.
Ah,
That
un
is-
bateau de sauvetage!
Yeah.
Oh, it's a rescue boat and it goes really fast to rescue people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Je crois que je sais où il va passer ce bateau.
Oh, yeah. I think I know where that boat's going to go as well. I bet I do know.
Where?
Under the bridge.
Under the bridge!
Yeah, under the bridge.
I saw a rescue boat whiz by, whizzing by, go whizzing by. I saw a rescue boat whiz by. Uh-oh.
No.
Oh non.
Tom Tilly, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oui, le drapeau est trop grand pour passer sous le pont.
That flag's too high.
Oh, look at that. He took it away.
I thought it was going to go bang into it.
Just
Bye-bye,
in time.
rescue boat.
Bye. It did go under the bridge. I said it
Yeah.
would. Oh, Tom Tilly, do you
What?
think there's going to be any more boats coming?
Oui, allez.
More boats, more boats.
Oh, no. More boats, more boats.
More boats, more boats. Oh,
Non, il n'y a plus de bateau.
no more boats.
No more boats.
Yeah, what's happening?
We're moving.
Oui, oui, oui.
What's happening?
What's going on?
Oh, je sais. Nous sommes sur un très grand bateau.
Yeah. We're in a great big boat.
We're on a great big boat!
Oh, but hang on. How are we going to go under the bridge? Look, this boat's much too big.
Oh oui, le bateau est beaucoup trop grand.
Yeah.
Oh, no, look, Tots, look! It's lifting up!
I don't believe it. It's going up in the air. Hoorah!
We're gonna go under the big lifting bridge!
Going under the bridge. We're going under the bridge together.
No, look at that bridge!
Oh, brilliant.
Wow!
Wow, regarde.
We went under the bridge together.
All together! The tots went on a great big boat, a great big boat, a great big boat. The tots went on a great big boat. Then under the bridge together.
All together.
All together, Tots.
Yeah, all together.
Les
I
bateaux.
like boats.
Welcome to the Fit Factor. F is for fun, F is for food, and F is for feeling fit.
We'll make you strong, so sing along. We'll give you a jingle, so let's see you wiggle. So jump like a bee. Have you got it? Spook like a baby. Have you got it? Get down like lazy town. Have you got it? Cooking like a big cook, little cook. Got it? Get the air factor, big factor now.
Can you guess what wintry picture has been all jumbled up? See if you can work it out. You can make them with your friends from snow. You can dress